everyone, it's Lindsay from The Creative Arrow, and today I'm doing another video from the Drawing Pumpkins from Basic Shape series. This is a super fun and simple activity that doesn't require a lot of supplies. All you need is a pen. I'm going to be using a micron pen, some sort of pencil, and an eraser. So this series that we're doing is what I call the circle family. So we have a circle, a horizontal oval, vertical oval, and then I add a heart at the bottom just for fun. Starting with our circle, you just need to do a very light outline with your pencil of that nice round circle shape. So I'm gonna do this with a couple of different curves. I'm not gonna try and draw it all at one time. And I'm going to erase the lines that I don't want and keep kind of playing with it until I end up with that nice circle shape. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be adding the ellipses, and no pumpkins are ever perfect, which is what makes them so cute and unique. So play around with this a little bit until you end up with the circle shape that you want. Then you can go in with your ellipses. We are starting with the center ellipse still, or long elongated oval, whichever you want to kind of think of it as. After you have the first one in there, then you can go in and start connecting in one direction. I like to go to the left first, and I'm starting and stopping wherever the circle starts and stops. And then I'm also following the edges with the circle shape as well. When you're done, add a adorable little top for your pumpkin, and there you go. Now for this one, I did end up wanting to go back and make the lines thicker because I used a 05 micron pen, and I usually work with an 08. So I did go back through and make these lines a little bit thicker so that you guys could see them better. And then I'm going to be continuing to use the 08 for the rest of the pumpkins again so that you don't have to go back and do this step. So now that we're done with our circle one, and I think he's super cute, we're gonna go in and do our horizontal oval. So again, we're going back to our pencil, drawing in this shape lightly, and using a couple of different lines to try to get exactly what I want before I go in with the pen. Going in with the pen, we're gonna start with our ellipse first in the middle. Remember, this is a full ellipse, and then we're going to connect all of our sides off of that one, following the tops and the bottom and the sides of our basic shape. So this one is going to have more ellipses than the other one, and they're all going to be kind of short. And then we add, of course, our cute little top. And I like to kind of change the shape of these and the direction to give them a lot of variety. Next, we're going to go on to our vertical oval. So outline again with our pencil, doing it lightly. And I do it lightly, that way I can erase it later super easily and nobody has to see my previous lines or it doesn't mess up the pen. So long ellipse here in the middle. This one is going to have less ellipses and they're going to be closer together. I might only get 3 on this side, yeah. And then probably only get 3 on the other side. But I really like the stark contrast between the horizontal oval and the vertical oval. Give him a cute little top, and he's done. Last but not least is our cute little heart here at the bottom, and this is going to be a little bit harder for your basic shape as you want the top and the bottom of where the heart's kind of sides meet to line up. So I like to kind of start that with some dots and then work on one side, and then I'm going to work on the other side trying to match what I did first. And again, you're going to need to play around with the shape a little bit before you go in with the pen. With the pen, we're starting with that center ellipse, and this is going to be a little more challenging as you want to have the top be a little fuller and have the bottom kind of meet up with the base a little bit more to get that heart shape. So doing one side on the left first, and then coming to my right side, making the tops a little rounder, making the bottoms a little bit more less curved, more diagonal, and there you have it, an adorable pumpkin that is in a heart shape. Give it a cute top, and he is wonderful. So cute, so unique, perfect for fall. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of my circle pumpkin family. I also have a video of a square pumpkin family, so make sure to check that out. Let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.